Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let me see about vertical edge-based car license plate deduction method. Now let's have a discussion about the abstract. It is the novel method for detect a license plate in the image. In the initial step, we have to denoise the image, and then we segment the image by the use of adaptive threshold segmentation. Then we eliminate the unwanted lines. The adaptive threshold is the simplest non-contextual segmentation technique with a single threshold. It transforms a grayscale or color image into a binary image considered as a binary region map. The binary map contains two possibly disjoint regions. One of them contains pixel with input data value smaller than a threshold. The previous method used more sophisticated web cameras, so the processing is very difficult and time consuming. The edges extracted from a two-dimensional image of a three-dimensional scenes can be classified either viewpoint independent. It typically reflects inherent properties of the objects such as surface marking and surface shape. A typical edge might, for instance, be the border between a block of red and the block of yellow. Our proposed vertical edge deduction algorithm reduces these complexities. The color images are converted into grayscale for the easy processing. This is the flow of our process. Here we have to provide a license plate as an input. The provided input will pass to the further step. Initially we have to convert our color image as a gray. After converting a gray, it will pass to the filtering process. In filtering, here we are using the median filter. It is often used desirable to be able to perform some kind of noise reduction on image or signal. The median filter is a non-linear digital filtering technique often used to remove noise. After filtering the noise, it will pass to the adaptive threshold segmentation. In this process, we using the threshold technique. It is each pixel is compared to the average of surrounding pixels. Specifically, an approximate moving average of the lost pixel seen is calculated while traveling in the image. If the value of the current pixel is correlated to the threshold, means it will be taken as a 1, otherwise it will be taken as 0. After converting a binary, it will be passed to the vertical edge deduction technique. In vertical edge deduction, the threshold process is generally produces many thin lines that do not belong to the license plate region. These lines may interfere in the license plate location. So unwanted line will be eliminated by finding the horizontal line and the vertical line. Horizontal line angle will equal to the 0 degree, and then vertical line angle will equal to the 90 degree. After finding the unwanted lines, the line will be eliminated from the segmented binary image. After eliminating the unwanted lines, it will be passed to the next step. In this process, here we are highlighting the extracted region, and then we also extract the license plate in the process. Here we are detecting the edge points. Viewpoint dependent edge may change as the viewpoint changes, and typically reflects the geometry of the scene, such as objects occluding and one another. A typical edge might, for instance, be the border between a block of red and a block of yellow. In contrast, the line can be small number of pixels of a different color on otherwise unchanging background for a line. There may therefore usually be one edge and on either side of the line. After detecting the line, it will be taking as an output, then output will be taken. Now let's have a demo of our process. Here I am having car plate main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. The guide design will be opened. Initially we have to give on the input image. The input image will be the license plate image. Here I am selecting the one image. The selected image will be displayed in the first axis. The selected image will pass to the further step. Here I am having gray conversion. This is the result of gray converted image. It will be passed to the adaptive threshold segmentation. It will be converted the image as a binary. Now let's see the result of adaptive threshold. This is the segmented result of adaptive threshold. After segmenting this, we are going to eliminate the unwanted lines. This is the result of unwanted line eliminating. This is the skeleton image. This is the eroded image. After that, here we are going to vertical line reduction. It will be the selected region of the license plate. This will pass to the plane reduction method. Based on the segmented result of vertical line reduction, here we are showing deducting the vertical of car plate. Here I am showing the result of car plate deduction method based on the vertical edge deduction. It is a easy and reliable technique. Thank you.